Alright guys, this is how you fix your disc that is dirty or damaged on Xbox 360. So all you're going to need is a fine cloth, a banana, and your broken disc. Alright, so hold that real quick. So what we're going to first do is we're going to take the banana, you're going to open it, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to smother it. You just smother it all over the disc. Okay? Nice and deep in there. Alright. Now you're gonna come over to the sink and just wash it off. Nice and clean. Spick and span. Maybe some warmer water. And come back over here. Make sure you dry it off with your fine cloth real quick. This works every time. It's great. Alright, now you're going to come over here and stick it in the blender and put the blender cap on. Hit pulse, smash, smoothie. That's And now we got our disc here. It's just great now. Oh gosh, there's glass everywhere. We should leave that for the next person who has to drink. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you learned that Xbox games really can't get fixed.